All of these birds in my head, swimming around, pecking, keep me up, and I can't come down. All of these words, building a house in my head, tearing it down. The wreckage is keeping me up, and I can't come down. The carnage of the cardinals that haunt me, the buzzing of the hummingbirds that knock me. The raven's got a carnival that's rocking me wide awake, like there's nothing at stake. 'Cause I was born as perfect as the skies are, head latched open to the Skylark, but now my brain's a prison for the flight. Oh, get out of my head, get out of my head, get out of my head. All of these birds, all of these birds in my head, swarming around, pecking, they keep me up, and I can't come down. All of these words, building a house in my head, tearing it down. The wreckage is keeping me up, and I can't come down. The murmur of the starling song is maddening. The murder of the crowds is coming at me. The ticking of the clock is trying to mock me. I'm wide awake, like there's nothing to say. 'Cause I am still the architect of this cage, and I set all the raptors on a rampage, begging for a rapture, for an escape. Get out of my head, get out of my head, get out of my head. Get out of my all of these birds in my head, swarming around, pecking, they keep me up, and I can't come down. All of these words